Very impressed with how fast it showed up within less than a day. So that was very impressive. Packaging overall, I mean, pretty much what you expect. Great packaging. So we're gonna see how it works, and yeah, the link is in the description down below. It's on Amazon for roughly $100. All right, so opening it up, I find out that it's got 2 more batteries than I first thought. Totally surprised on that one. Totally impressed. Controller takes 4 AA batteries. Pretty much expected that. So I technically have 3 of these batteries, which is awesome. So I'm gonna take it up and fly it around. We're gonna video some of that. So here we go.